Do you ever feel like you are not breathing up to your full potential? See, breath is life. Just like water nourishes each cell of your body, breath does exactly the same thing. In this video, I'll show you 5 different ways to improve your breathing. The first and most important way to improve your breathing is consistency. The study shows that if you do conscious 15-minute breathing on the School of Breath, if you do one session, it would calm your whole nervous system for the next 48 hours. So, in other words, the first and the most important way to improve your breathing is consistency of practice. So, stick around until the end, and I'll reveal the other 4 techniques that will take your life to a different level. But before that, let's start the breathwork routine for today. Today, we'll do a powerful breathwork session to reset your nervous system. So let's go on to today's breathing practice. You can do this practice, short practice, anytime during the day. So the first one, let's go on to the Tummo breathing. We'll do 2 rounds of Tummo breathing with 30-second hold and 45-second breath hold. Then we move on to diaphragmatic breathing and eventually into Brahmari Pranayama, the humming bee breath, to bring this healing into the whole body. The first round we go into Tummo breathing, 30 times inhale and exhale. Exhale with pursed lips. Inhale fully. Holding the breath in 30 seconds, root lock engaged. Beautiful job. Exhale fully. Continue exhaling. Now inhale, exhale normally and sit in meditation for 30 seconds. Focus on your third eye.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now we go on to the second round of Tummo breathing. Again, 30 times in and out, and at the end, we hold the breath in 45 seconds. Inhale fully. Holding the breath in 45 seconds, engaging the root chakra. Beautiful. Exhale fully. Inhale, exhale. Normally sit in meditation 30 seconds.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya.
Amazing job. Slowly start to open your eyes. Beautiful, my friends. Now we go on to the third one and reap all the benefits of Tummo breathing, this fire element, this heat we created through diaphragmatic breathing. Diaphragmatic breathing, you gently allow your body to slowly shift from sympathetic nervous system, your fight and flight response, to your rest and digest mode. Now that you're doing the diaphragmatic breathing, see if you can become aware of a deeper reality, not just the touch of your breath on your nostril or on your throat, but see if we can become aware of this pranic element of the breath, the subtle energy of the breath. As you're breathing in, it's going into your body. As you're breathing out, it's slowly coming out. So we'll practice 9 diaphragmatic breathing in this session today. So you get into a habit of slow, long, deep breathing by bringing our right palm into the belly. And now allow the breath to go first into the belly. Expand the belly. 6. Breathe all the way towards the chest and the shoulder blade. Exhale now fully. Relax the chest and now pull the belly in. So we continue for 9 breaths like this.
Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah 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 Shivaya.
Slowly start to open your eyes. Beautiful, my friends. Now we go into Brahmari Pranayama and take this message of slow, long, deep breathing. Take this message of your homeostasis into all the 50, 60 trillion cells in the body. Now we go into humming bee breath with 7 doors closing mudra. Inhale fully. On exhale, smooth humming sound. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, now see if you can just continue focusing on the third eye. As you close your eyes, just continue focusing on the darkness for a minute.
Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Slowly start to open your eyes. Beautiful. Feel the calm. That's your nervous system resetting. Consider breath as your medicine going forward. So every time you practice this breath work, your body heals. Your body now gets to remember its natural rhythm, your homeostasis. Now let's go on to the other 4 ways to enhance your breathing. The second one is nasal versus mouth breathing. So, of course, the mouth is for eating and drinking. Now, your nasal cavities are designed for breathing. When you breathe through the nose, you're filtering the air, you're humidifying the air, you're improving the nitric oxide, and you're actually improving the oxygen delivery to the body. Third one, of course, is to slow down the breath. When you start to slow down the breathing and go below 9 times a minute, that naturally brings a lot of benefits into your life, both at your physical level and at your energetic pranic level. And when you breathe slow, it also improves your body's ability to extract the oxygen from this breath. The fourth one you want to remember is breathe into your belly and your back. When you inhale, feel the breath going all the way into your belly first and then filling up your back, the sides of your waist, and then it goes up towards the chest and the shoulders. And when you exhale, first relax your chest and gently pull the belly in towards the back. When you're doing the belly breathing, when you're breathing all the way first into your belly and then filling up your chest, you're activating automatically your vagus nerve. So allow your body during your day to just simply heal itself through proper breathing. All right, fifth one every 3 hours in your phone during the day. Let's say your day starts at 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Every 3 hours, put an alarm, just simple, to be aware of your breath. So as you see the alarm popping up, you become aware of your breath and slow it down. So see if you can continue this, and this is going to create a default habit of slow, long, deep breathing. And that would change everything in your life: your finances, your health, your nervous system, your relationships, and eventually the way the life reflects back at you. So I get a lot of questions about how often I should practice the breath work. So remember, your daily breath work is as essential as brushing your teeth. Think of your breath work as your nervous system hygiene. You would not skip brushing your teeth for a week, right? In the same way, breath work should be done every day. When you do a 15-minute breathwork session on the School of Breath, this would have benefits reflecting for the next 48 hours. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step by step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. So I hope you continue doing this breath work every day. Consistency is the key, my friends. I hope you got a little value from this video. If you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also practice breath work, meditation, and yoga in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abidugal. Namaste, peace, and love.